This is Diab Dental Implants and Periodontics, designed to provide unsurpassed dental treatment. Conveniently located in Kennesaw, Georgia, just off Interstate 75, Diab Dental Implants and Periodontics is a place where smiles are made and confidence is restored. Dr. Wade A. Diab is a board-certified periodontist with expertise in dental implants, cosmetic periodontal surgery, gum grafting, crown lengthening, the treatment and prevention of periodontal diseases, and oral pathology. For over 20 years, Dr. Diab has been a leader in the dental field, including being an expert in providing the revolutionary all-on-4 teeth-in-a-day procedure.
Hi, I'm Dr. Diab. Welcome to our office.
As you enter through the front door of the Diab Dental Implants and Periodontics, the first thing you'll notice is the spacious reception area, where you'll be greeted by a patient coordinator. Complimentary Wi-Fi, coffee, and water are always available. 2 identical patient treatment rooms offer state-of-the-art dental chairs, an HD monitor on the wall to review digital x-rays, and high-tech computer stations for Dr. Diab to work on. There are also 2 hygiene rooms where experienced hygienists perform periodontal maintenance and deep cleanings. These rooms also feature state-of-the-art equipment and computers. In the center of the office is the patient recovery area. Some patients request sedation, and this open space allows the dental assistants to monitor the patient after sedation. The state-of-the-art sterilization center is also in the middle of the office, purposely designed for an efficient workflow with easy access from all treatment rooms. 2 private surgical suites are located on the other side of the office, each featuring the most advanced equipment available, including a state-of-the-art implant system. Both suites are staffed by CPR-credited surgical assistants and are equipped to administer IV sedation and nitrous oxide for a comfortable and relaxing experience. Diab Dental Implants and Periodontics has a digital 3D cone beam CT scanner. This state-of-the-art technology is used to aid in diagnosing complex dental problems and to assist in creating your specific treatment plans for dental implant surgeries, including the all-on-4 teeth-in-a-day procedure. The consultation room is a private office where you can discuss treatment and schedule surgery. One additional area that is unique about the facility is a large learning center located at the back of the building. Dr. Diab hosts continuing education classes for other dentists and their team. His focus is always on dental implants and cutting-edge periodontal procedures. Dr. Diab and his wonderful team would like to say thank you for virtually visiting our office, and we hope to see you soon.